I'm gonna keep it real with y'all tonight. I never said this one here, but this is the true story. You know what I learned about all West Indians? That y'all don't know each other's name at work. Like black and Spanish people, we know everybody at the job. I don't give a fuck if we keep the job for a week. We know every nigga at that job. The first day you get the job, you introduce yourself. You get there, you like, hey, I'm like, hey, I'm Rashid. Hey, Rashid, I'm Dave. Dave, nice to meet you. I'm Rashid. I'm Charles. Charles, my pleasure. I'm Rashid. I'm John. John, nice to meet you. What's that here? Y'all niggas call each other by the name of the job you do. Fellas, you ever work construction? You ever hear this shit? Carpenter. Call an electrician and tell her to blow my loaf like that. The guy at the job can die. The West Indian dude don't even know who died. You get to work the next day, your man John be like, Dave died. You like, Dave died? How the fuck Dave died? He said when y'all left, he was working on the window. He fell out the window. The police, the media, everybody was here. You can't believe this shit. You like, what? You tell a Jamaican dude, you like, Winston, Dave dead. He keep on working. No, I'm sorry, I don't know no deal. You like, nigga, Dave. Dave, that work with you every fucking day. Dave, fuck is you saying? He fell out the fucking window and died. You gonna fucking say you don't know Dave? What's wrong with you? This nigga keep right on working. Really? That's fucked up, you know. Nigga, that's all you gonna say is that's fucked up, stupid idiot. Dave, your partner, the Carpenter. Bombaclad! Carpenter dead! How is Carpenter dead? You never say Carpenter dead? You said deal. I don't know no deal. Carpenter me no. Can't go to work today on my own. Carpenter dead. Rashid said deal. I don't know no deal. Then the Jamaicans say some funny shit. They say some shit like, my eye hurting. My eye hurting me, you know. The art. Then they put the H where it don't belong. Yes, inside my body. My eye hurting. This shit is crazy. Is that life for me?